Good morning, Wairarapa TV Local News for Wednesday the 8th of February. For the second successive year, New Zealand wine growers and Air New Zealand hosted more than 50 people, including wine tasters, trade representatives and media, including writers from the New York Times and Sunday Times Irish edition, on the unique wine flight over some of the nation's key wine regions, including Wairarapa. The group has been in New Zealand at an aromatic symposium in Nelson, Pinot Noir New Zealand event in Wellington, and attended a classic red symposium in Hawke's Bay last weekend. Saturday marked World Cancer Day, and Health Minister Jonathan Coleman says World Cancer Day is an opportunity to focus on what more can be done to further improve cancer services. There are a number of new initiatives this year which will help to further improve early detection of cancer and build on the Faster Cancer Treatment Program. The National Bowel Screening Program begins in Wairarapa and the Hutt Valley DHBs in July. Once fully implemented, the program will invite more than 700,000 people for screening every 2 years. In the early stages, around 500 to 700 cancers are expected to be detected each year. And in sport, a successful weekend for the Giants Softball Club, celebrating their 50th Jubilee. All three senior teams winning, with the juniors unfortunately suffering 2 losses. And a reminder, the Marist and Wairarapa Bush Touch competition recommences tonight, with the first games just before 7 p.m. For TV Local News, I'm Brent Gare.